I have a Cub Cadet GT1554 lawn mower. The PTO clutch will not engage. The switch apparently works because there is 14 bolts going to the clutch. How do I remove the clutch and possibly make a repair?
What's the make and model of the mower? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
I am not sure of the age, but it is a Cub Cadet mower that has a 54 inches cut. I assume that the model is GT1554.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, if I can.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I recently purchased this mower used. When I first tried it out, the blades did engage. Then I started to perform a cleaning. After the cleaning was finished, the blades would not engage. Posted by JustAnswer a customer's request. Hello. I would like to request the following expert services from you. Live phone call. Let me know if you need more information, or send me the service offers so we can proceed. First of all, I want to know the proper method of removing the clutch. Then how to perform simple testing, such as resistance test of the coil, and whether or not the height adjustment will help the situation. Once I am able to remove the clutch, I can see if it is a simple broken wire. Also, does the drive belt need to be removed first?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. You can test the clutch on the unit. It does B equals NT have to come off. Just take jumper wires direct from battery to the 2 wires on the clutch. If the magnet closes the clutch, it is okay. If it has the 3 springs and self-locking nuts, you can tighten the nuts to move the magnet closer to the armature, to let it close easier. It just can't be too tight, or it will not release. To remove the clutch, you just need the deck off, and the deck belt out of the way, remove the anti-rotation link, then remove the center bolt, and the clutch should slip off. If it is tight, you need to use 2 pry bars on opposite sides of the clutch to pry it loose.
Okay, thank you, I will give it a try. What is the anti-rotation link? I don't have time for a call right now because I have an appointment to go to.
Anti-rotation is the part that keeps the pulley from rotating and ripping the 2-wire harness off.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.